Casey's World. I really enjoyed making that other baking video. And my mom said I can pick any baking kit in the aisle. And I picked this epic cookies and cream cookie kit. You will need 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 large egg, and 1 tablespoon of water. And we have all that right here. So the cookie mix is in the bowl, and we have our egg and our melted butter. First, I'm going to put in the butter. I'm going to put it all and make sure none is in the bowl. Now we're going to put in the egg. Got some shell on it, just a little, and I think that'll be okay. We mixed it all up, and now we're going to put them in these. We roll them all into balls, and now we're going to put these sprinkles and cookie pieces on them, and then we're going to put them in the oven. I put in the sprinkles and cookie pieces on, and now we're going to put them in the oven. Our cookies are done baking. Now we have to wait for them to cool down, and then we're going to make them epic sandwiches. The cookies cool down, and now we're going to squeeze the icing. And then we're going to put the icing on the cookie and with a butter knife, and then we're gonna make our first one. The cookies have cooled down, and I put the icing on the bottom part, and now I'm gonna get the butter knife and spread it out, and then put the top on the top of the icing, and then eat it for our epic sandwich. I spreaded the icing, and now I'm going to put the top on. And now I'm going to say cheers. Cheers. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to Casey's World. Thanks for watching my epic sandwich video.